Good morning, cuties. So today I am going to show you a full day of eating. And this morning I already showed you my coffee. Nothing special. I've shown it to you a million times. But the egg sandwiches are back. I haven't had this in a while. So I'm really in the mood for it this morning. So here I have the Fiber One English muffins. I really like these. And they're 3 points, but they're big. They're bigger than the Thomas's ones, so I like those. Plus they have fiber. Of course, 1 egg is 0. And the Morningstar sausage patty is 1 point. And my Velveeta cheese is 1 point. So that is 3, 4, 5 points for this part of my breakfast, plus my coffee. So I'll show you what the sandwich looks like when it's all put together. Okay, here is my breakfast all plated up. So in my coffee, I had 2 tablespoons of the sugar-free Italian sweet cream, and that's just 1 point. And it's pretty good. I do prefer the regular, but it was good for 1 point for 2 tablespoons. Over here, I just have some fresh grapes, yummy. And I was wrong on my count for my breakfast sandwich. The Fiber One English muffins is only 2 points. So it's a 4-point sandwich, and then I add the 1 point for my coffee. So it's a 5-point breakfast. Stay tuned for my lunch. Okay, so here's my lunch. And what I'm having today for lunch is actually leftover from dinner yesterday. And I made the lemony 1-pan orecchiette with sausage and broccolini. And I just have 3/4 of a cup here, so that's half a serving, and it's 4 points. And I did make this in a video for you guys, so I'm gonna link that below in the description box, so you can click on that for the recipe. It's very easy. Like I said, it's a 1-pan meal, and it's so delicious. There's so much flavor. Last night I made it with orzo, as you can see, even though it calls for orecchiette, but I didn't have it, and I had everything else, all the other ingredients, so I made it. So here's 4 points for my lunch, and I'll see you for my dinner. Okay, so here's my dinner. It looks really good, I think. Very colorful. So this is my version of an Italian salad. So I made this in a video along with 3 other salads. It was a little series I did. So I'm going to link that video below. It's slightly different than this one, but you kind of get the basic idea. So let me go through what I have. I just sauteed some chicken breast. I really seasoned it with oregano, basil, salt and pepper, and a little garlic salt. And in there you see croutons, the romaine lettuce, the 2 tablespoons of wishbone Italian dressing. I have banana peppers, I have Kalamata olives, I have some grape tomatoes, and of course the shaved Parmesan. I also added a little bit of onion, really thinly sliced, and I soaked it in some water just for a few minutes, then dried it off and just tried to get a little bit of the bite out. Sometimes it can be a little strong, but I love the taste of onion in a salad. So there's my salad, and this is 9 points for my dinner. So stay tuned. I'm definitely going to have a snack later, so I will bring you along. Okay, so I'm not quite ready for my snack, but I want to have it laid out for when I'm ready. So of course I'm having an apple. I'm going to slice that up, and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, which is 6 points, and of course the apple 0. So that's going to wrap up a full day of eating today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd love a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hit the bell notification if you want to see more of these videos. I'd love to have you here. I'm also on Instagram if you want to check me out over there. It's Cindy's_success. And over there, of course, I post pictures and usually a little preview of what the upcoming video is going to be. So I hope you check it out and have a great night. I'll see you soon.